Hello viewers, hope you are well. In the previous video we will learn about how to install Altium Designer 2020. But in this video we will learn about how to create a new project and how to add all necessary files to make PCB. First thing we need to make a new project by just going to File, New, and then click Project. Window is shown, and then you can change the project names. I can give name is test project, test_project. You can give any name to this project and save any location where you want to save. Just click create. Here you can see the new project named as test project. Here is the test project, and we need to add 4 things in these projects, 4 sheets. First we will add a schematic library. Here is the schematic library. The function of the schematic library is that you can make any symbols of electronics components like resistor, capacitors, transistors, any types of symbols. You can make here any types of symbol. This is the function of schematic library. And second thing we need to add is schematic sheet. The function of the schematic sheet is to make any circuits you want to make by just using schematic library components. You can place any schematic library components which you have need here, and then complete your circuit by wires and wires. This is the function of the schematic sheet. The third thing is PCB library. In the PCB library you can make any types of footprints, resistor footprints, transistor footprints, TO18 package, TO92 package, and all other components. You can make all types of footprints here in PCB libraries. And the fourth thing is PCB. This is the PCB. You can change the dimensions. In the next videos we will learn step by steps how to make PCBs and how to make schematic symbols and PCB footprints. All things is required to make a complete PCBs. These are the 4 things which we have required to make our project started. First we create a new project, then add a schematic library where you can make any symbols. Then we make we add a schematic sheet where you can complete your any desired circuits. And then we add number 3rd is PCB library where you can make any types of footprints of electronics components. And then you can make a PCB. 4th thing is PCB. You can change any types of dimensions, customer requirements dimensions. Here is the mechanical layers. All other layers, about layers, we will discuss in the next videos step by steps. In the next video we will learn about how to create a symbols in schematic libraries of resistors, capacitors, and how to import symbols from our source. So we will meet in the next video. I humbly request you to like, share, and subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notification for next videos. Take care. Thank you.